Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am excited to share that inshallah I will be conducting Asmaul Husna workshop after Eid. Have you ever thought of being able to understand the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His beautiful attributes? This workshop will inshallah be expounding on the meaning and secrets and gems behind the 99 names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. At the end of this 8 weeks workshop, inshallah, you will be able to know which names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to invoke every time you are making dua and supplication to Him. I will also be sharing in depth the differences between the names that have the same root word. Example, Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim, the same root word of Rahima. With Arabic language, it is so rich and profound that there are indeed differences, albeit coming from the same root word. So I hope you will be joining me. See you there. Assalamualaikum.